you? That is Petey the Pedro. He's a very skinny dog. Yes, he is. This is Sockum, the bird that William left behind. This is Yoshi, Saki's friend, so Saki doesn't scream at everybody 24/7. This is Seasons, the big bad bear. Seasons? Are you walking away? Are you being camera shy? There's Juliet. Julia. We've already seen Petey. Scooter. Dante. This is Scooter, also known as Dante. He's very, very cute. And there's the Kellykins. 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 Yes, yes, you got a toy. Come on. Come on, Kellykins. Come on. Kellykins. She's the kitty, even though she's a chihuahua. Hey, old man. Uh-oh, old man's camera shy. This is David Dave, the newest of the bunch, who doesn't like me yet. Say hi, Sadie. This dog doesn't like me either. Sadie. Stubert. Say hi, Stubert. Stubby. Come on, Stubby. Come on, Stubert. Stubert. Stubby. You're being lazy. Come on, Stubby. Come on, Stubby. Uh-oh. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here is Simba. Say hi, Simba. He is the second oldest to the oldest man.